Super simple guide. How to replace the polarizer film on small LCD screens. Works great for digital watches, calculators, old remotes, electronic toys, etc. Important notes before you start. This fix is perfect when the screen looks yellowish, foggy, streaky, like tree roots, or gradually blurry, classic signs the polarizer film has aged or been damaged by heat, sunlight. If the screen is completely black dead, the problem is elsewhere. Buy replacement polarizer film online, search LCD polarizer film calculator, or watch polarizer sheet. Get the type with self-adhesive backing, it makes the job much easier. What you'll need? Very basic stuff. Craft knife, razor blade, small sharp blade, polarizing film and aluminum tape, soft clean cloth or lint-free tissue, optional, isopropyl alcohol or glass cleaner, plus cotton swabs for old glue. Step-by-step instructions. Takes 10-20 minutes. 1. Remove the LCD screen from the device. Open the case, usually just a few screws, or gently pry with your fingernail-charged plastic tool. Carefully lift out the LCD module. It's a thin glass panel with a small ribbon cable. Be gentle so you don't tear the cable. Decide which sides to replace. Front side, the one you look at, usually clear or slightly grayish polarizer. Backside, inside the device, often a white, silverish reflective layer, reflector, backlight diffuser. For most watches and calculators, replacing the back reflector film alone usually brings back brightness and clarity dramatically. If it's still dull, replace the front one too. Peel off the old polarizer film. Use the blade to lightly score a tiny corner, 1-2 mm, to create a starting tab. Grip the corner with your fingernail or tweezers and slowly peel it off, like removing sticker tape. Go slowly. If it's stubborn, warm it gently with your breath or hold it near a lamp for 1 to 2 minutes. Heat loosens the adhesive. You don't need the surface 100% glue-free. Just remove all the old film. Clean the surface. Wipe gently with a dry, soft cloth, or slightly damp with alcohol, to remove dust and sticky residue. Don't scrub hard and avoid leaving moisture behind. Cut and apply the new film. Place the new sheet on top of the old screen as a template and lightly mark the size with a pencil. Cut the new film slightly larger, about 1-2 mm extra on each side. Peel off the protective paper from the adhesive side. Align it carefully over the LCD, then slowly lower it, starting from one edge. Press gently and smooth it outward from the center with a soft cloth to push out air bubbles. Small bubbles can often be pressed out with your fingernail. I will add another layer of aluminum foil tape to block out the light and create a transparent background for the letters and numbers. Test and reassemble. Put the screen back in the device and turn it on. If the image looks inverted, black background with white characters becomes white background with black characters or vice versa. Peel it off, rotate the film 90 degrees and reapply. If it's still dim, replace the front polarizer 2. Repeat steps 3 to 5. Work in good lighting with minimal dust in the air. If you misalign it, gently peel it up and try again. Most adhesive films can handle 1 to 2 removals if you're careful. For old Casio calculators or digital watches, you can even reuse a polarizer from another broken unit of the same model in a pinch. That's it. After this quick fix, your screen will look surprisingly bright and clear again, often like new for just a tiny cost. Good luck. You've got this.